How do we solve for the radius of the circle in the figure? At first glance, this looks difficult, but it's actually not. You just need one key concept to avoid getting stuck. From the given lengths, we can say that the sides of the largest polygon are 4 units long, since 2 plus 2 is 4. Which means we have a square, and squares have right-angle corners. This shape is also a square because the side lengths are all 2 units long. Hence, we have another right angle right here. Now, before we proceed, let's talk about the diagonal of a square. Consider a square that has a side measure of s and a diagonal d. Applying the Pythagoras theorem on the right triangle portion, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the legs. We have d squared is equal to s squared plus s squared. S squared plus s squared is 2s squared. Take the square root of both sides. The square root of s squared is s. Hence, d is equal to s square root of 2. This implies that the diagonal of a square is equal to its side measure times square root of 2. Let's go back to our original problem. Let's refer to the diagonal of the large square as d1. We already know that the diagonal is equal to the side times square root of 2. The side lengths of the large square is 4, so substitute into the equation. d1 equals 4 times square root of 2. Next, let's refer to the diagonal of the small square as d2. The side lengths of this square is 2 units. Hence, the diagonal d2 is equal to 2 times square root of 2. Let's take a look again at our longer diagonal. This diagonal passes through the center of the circle, and it forms yet another even smaller square as shown. This square has a side measure of r, which is the radius of the circle. Say the diagonal of this square is d3. Hence, d3 is equal to r square root of 2. And if you notice, d1 is equal to d2 plus radius r plus d3. d1 is 4 square root of 2. d2 is 2 square root of 2. And d3 is r square root of 2. Transpose 2 square root of 2 to the left side. And on the right side, take out the common factor r to get r times 1 plus square root of 2. 4 minus 2 is 2, so the left side becomes 2 square root of 2. Then divide both sides by 1 plus square root of 2. This cancels out, and this expression on the left side gives the length of the radius. Using a calculator, the radius is approximately 1.17 units long. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.